Hello and welcome to Easy English. Today we're going to be talking about adventure. In this first picture, this guy here is surfing. He's on a surfboard and he's riding a wave in the ocean. You can see water splashing all about. It's right at sunset, so the sun is setting in the background. You can see lots of oranges and yellows and even some darker reds and purples up near the top. These two people are rock climbing. I used to do rock climbing. I really enjoyed it. It can be scary at times, but it's a lot of fun. You can see that there's an anchor into the rock, which the guy is attached to. And then there's a rope leading up to the other person, just in case he falls. Now these people are tubing down a little stream. They're all wearing life jackets and helmets, and it looks like some have flip-flops on their feet or just bare feet. There are trees in the background, and it looks like they've just come out from a cave. You can see rocks along the side of the stream. This guy is out hiking for the day. You can see that he's sitting in a cave. There's rocks all over, and it looks like he's on the side of a mountain. In the background, you can see another mountain range and clouds floating up high. Down below, you can see a road where cars will drive on, and it looks like a nice blue sky. Now this truck is going off-roading. A lot of people like going off-roading or 4x4ing with their vehicles. You can see that he seems to be driving through a jungle. There's lots of trees, a jungle or a forest, and the dirt is nice and red. This person is driving a dune buggy in the desert. You can see the sky and clouds. He has an American flag on the back of his dune buggy, and you can see that it's kicking up sand as he goes. The tires have big ridges so that they can dig into the sand and keep him going. This person is also out hiking. I remember being on a cliff like this when I was in England. You could walk up along the edge and look out over, but you couldn't see anything because it was so foggy. The rock looks gray, and the earth is kind of brown, maybe a little bit orange or red, and it seems like there's paths going all along for you to walk. This guy is going surfing. He has a big wooden surfboard. You can see the beach, and the water is crashing in on the beach. It looks like it's a cloudy day in this picture. And finally, this guy is caving. You can see that he has a red light, and it's making all of the rocks about look red as well. And there's a dark cave in behind him. Thanks so much for joining me today. Goodbye.